My name is David, and I work as an IT production analyst for Sunlight Financial. We have offices in Charlotte, North Carolina, and in New York City. I work out of our Midtown Manhattan location. We are a B2B company providing financing for solar installation and home improvements. I was brought on about a year ago to be all things Ephesoft. I've worked with the platform since day one, and on a scale of 1 to 10, my rating is a solid 9. Ephesoft solves a unique business need for us. We have an internal automated sales contract review process that requires specific sets of data to be identified, extracted, and then compared between home improvement contracts and loan agreements. When we are able to match the data on these two documents exactly, we ultimately provide our channel partners with a seamless, efficient, and expedited experience that they benefit from and that subsequently strengthens our relationships with those partners. The challenge arises due to the fact that these contracts have a number of inconsistencies and variations in terms of how the data is presented, various cost patterns, date patterns, whether punctuation is used, placement of the data fields in relation to certain language or anchors on the contract. All of this matters. These are the elements used that allow us to zero in on the identification of and extraction of data. With Ephesoft, I can customize each contract individually using a set of key value relationships that enable me to extract precisely what I am looking for. There are several things that I like about Ephesoft. One of my favorite functionalities of the platform is its ability to manage a quick fix. There are times when a contract or a small but important component of a contract will suddenly and without notification change. Ephesoft at this level is fantastic. I can add a rule, I can enhance a rule, disable a rule, or even add a weighted priority favoring one rule over the other. This is incredibly helpful in terms of managing quick fixes, but it also allows our program to have an elasticity to it that operates in real time. I can implement a fix and then migrate that fix to our production environment within seconds after testing the efficacy of the change. A vital step in this process utilizes regular expressions. Regular expressions, or regex, ultimately allow us to tell Ephesoft what to do. We train the engine. More often than not, these rules are pretty cut and dry, but often they become a bit more complex. Ephesoft provides a built-in regex tester or generator, which is intuitive and is a key resource that makes this step in the process incredibly easier. Additionally, I'm very happy with the support team and help desk at Ephesoft. I have a point of contact who is responsive to my needs. If I have an issue, I know that it will be dealt with in a short period of time, and if he can't fix it, it will be escalated to somebody who possesses that specific expertise. It's worth mentioning the ease with which you can navigate around the UI. It is intuitive and uncomplicated. This means the world to me, considering the fact that I spend most of my day swimming around in it. The flyout menu allows me to move swiftly between folders and batch classes and testing arenas. And ultimately, this makes me more productive with the work that I do, and I enjoy it. If there is one area that I would like to see improvement on, it would be batch processing time for lengthy documents which contain numerous images. This isn't all that common, but when it does come up, it simply lengthens the testing and resolution time as we search for a solution. For any business considering Ephesoft as the platform to handle their document automation needs, my recommendation is look no further. I've worked intimately with this company for the last year, and I'm looking forward to strengthening, building, and maintaining that relationship for many years to come.